Hi guys, this is a video on Windows software, and I'm going to take this next 10 minutes to tell you about my start menu. Now before you switch off and go, I'm actually going to basically round up all that I've explained in my previous videos about several pieces of software, and I'm just going to briefly go through each one and tell you what they do. And if you like the sound of something, then you can download it or search my video that I've shown it on. And also to answer special channels, another broad question of what is your top 10 best programs you like. I'm going to try my best, but anyway, let's get started. Audio. Audacity, great recorder, great editor, all-round music application, converts bit rates, great program. iTunes is a great music player, and it does radio and podcasts and things like that. That's a good program to have, and also you can drag files in and out, and it's quite nice. So Media Coder Audio Edition basically converts your audio. These are all free, by the way, sorry. These are all freeware, you can download them all, and won't cost you a penny. I've got no commercial software on my computer at the moment, so Media Coder Audio Edition converts music. Remixes music. You can have two playing at once and then mix them into each other, make playlists, blah blah blah. MP3 gain is normalizes your music, changes the volume. If you have a loud MP3 and a quiet MP3, it will put them the same volume. MP3 tag will change the names inside your MP3s or rename your files, so that's quite useful. CD DVD, now I've missed one, it's called DVD Ripper, and it basically rips your DVDs and puts them into a video file on your computer. CD Burner XP allows you to make audio CDs and data CDs and DVDs. DVD Flick goes the other way to what I just said with DVD Ripper. It allows you to get a video file on your hard drive and rip it to a DVD and burn it to a DVD even, and so you can just play it in a DVD player. Magic Disk is a virtual CD/DVD-ROM driver thing. It basically puts an extra CD-ROM drive in my computer, and you can mount ISO files, which are images, CD images that you can download from the net. So next up is Disk. I should have put files here really, but I'll put Disk anyway. 7-Zip File Manager, basically an alternative to WinRAR and WinZip all in one. It's quite a good program if you can't afford WinRAR. Eraser is a secure delete utility. If you want to erase your files beyond recovery, then you'll want to use this tool. Glary Undelete, if you've mistakenly deleted a file from the recycle bin, you want to undelete it, then this is the tool for you. iDisk, if you want to find out what's using the most space on your computer in terms of files and folders, then iDisk is for you. Games, if you like Guitar Hero, then you'll love this program. It's for PC, and you can use your keyboard as a guitar. You've got to check the image I've done on that. Just search Frets on Fire, Mobile Phone 2003. It's great, love it. MFME, Fruit Machine Emulator, great program. Open Arena is a Quake 3 alternative. Quake 3 Arena was a great program. It's a shoot 'em up, great program, game even. Ultrastar Deluxe. Now I've done a video of me singing in this bloody program. It's a good program to have. It analyses the pitch of your voice, and you get points. Stepmania is a DDR alternative, Dance Revolution. That's like a dance mat thing where you go up, down, left, right. You know what I mean. It's for the PC. All these are for the PC. Graphics, not very good at graphics, so I've only got two things here really. GIMP is an alternative to Photoshop, and EarthenView is a picture viewer. So ignore this. This is for Pigeon. So these are two things I'll probably use at some point. Internet, uTorrent downloads torrent files, good thing, low resource. FileZilla is an FTP client, web server. I have a website, I need to upload files to it, so I use FileZilla. Frostwire, I know I shouldn't have this. It's a peer-to-peer client. You basically can download single songs. Well, that's what I do anyway. I download single songs from it. I mean, if you're clever, you won't get viruses from this, but a lot of people have complained because they've got viruses. Firefox, brilliant program, best browser. It's got, well, I'll say best and then people will argue with me, but I like it a lot. It's got so many extensions, it's unreal, and it's great support, loads of skins. Thunderbird, great email client. I've previously been using Outlook, but I've now switched to Thunderbird because it's free to begin with, and it's instead of doing a sound, it actually pops up with the messages that I receive in my email, so that will save you from hearing "you've got mail" or whatever else it comes up with. Pigeon is a great instant messaging client. Some people say Miranda, blah blah blah, but I like Pigeon. It's great. It does like 15 or 20 or something different protocols like MySpace, Yahoo, AIM, IRC, all that stuff it does. It's great. Speed Touch, ignore that. That's just for my modem. and XChat 2 is an IRC client. I said IRC for Pigeon, but it's not that good, so I use a separate client called XChat, and you can get that for free from the internet. Networking, Hamachi, talked about it before. Virtual private networking, you can connect your PC to other PCs over the internet and create your own secure network where you can do stuff like games and stuff like that. Log Me In allows me to browse my computer from the internet, so if I was to be at college or something and then dial in home, I can then view my screen and then control it. That's a good program. Office, Foxit Reader, PDF Reader. It's a good program, lightweight, a lot better than Adobe Acrobat. And I'm sure you've heard of Microsoft Office and all the stuff that has. Well, this is basically the alternative to that. My Phone Explorer allows me to sync my phone with my PC, send and receive messages without touching my phone, and it does it all over Bluetooth, so it's wireless, so my phone could be on my bed and I can send a message to someone and it'll pop up in the taskbar after they've replied and blah blah. Google Earth is a mapping software. You can zoom in on this Earth and then go to street level. I'm sure you've tried it out anyway. Security, all I have at the moment is antivirus. I'll be installing spyware soon, anti-spyware soon even. Anti-VIR is the one I use. I know people will try and say Avast, AVG, whatever. I've been using this for a long time and I have no reason to change, so don't try and convince me. Startup is Magic Disk. System is Driver Backup, Tweak UI, VirtualBox and Everest. Driver Backup, as I've said before, I strongly recommend you back your drivers up, because if you screw your system up and you end up having to find all these drivers again because you've ruined your Windows install, it's better to have a backup of them just in case. Tweak UI, it's great, it's for Windows XP. You've got so many options as Unreal to change your system, tweak it. Great program. Tweak VI is for you Vista users. VirtualBox, I used to use VMware to do comparisons on some of my videos. That's great if you want to install multiple operating systems or try out Linux without going rebooting your PC or anything. Great program. I'll be using VirtualBox from now on because it's free. Everest Home Edition does system profiling, shows you components inside your PC and you can benchmark it and stuff. I've done videos on all of these. Video, Cam Studio is what you see. People still keep asking me what I use. It's Cam Studio is what I use to record videos, people. Media Coder converts videos, so it's different from Media Coder Audio Edition. This one does videos, converts videos. It also does audio, but I unchecked that so I could have the audio features in the other one because it's much more in depth. Virtual Dub is a splitter, editor, video editing basically. VLC Media Player is just another player basically, and it's good for streaming and things like that. So you'll notice that I've got 10 here. This is kind of to answer Special Channel's question of what is the top 10 programs. Again, you're being too general. I can't answer that. I'll just show you the ones that I use most. VirtualBox, Media Coder, Pigeon, Audacity Mix, uTorrent, iTunes, Thunderbird, Firefox, Cam Studio, and they're kind of in the list of how much I use them as well. So Mozilla Firefox usually is my most, but Cam Studio is now because I've been recording loads of videos. So if I was to say the best out of all of these, I'd say Firefox because of the extensions and the huge user base. And VirtualBox is the most fascinating. Media Code is superb, and Pigeon's the most compatible, I think, out of all of them. So that's about it. Sorry I've rushed through this. You might want to pause it to check out the ones that I've said. I've tried my best to go under 10 minutes because previously I went over 10 minutes. So I'm sorry I didn't really answer your question, Special Channel. It's just that you're being too general. But yeah, these are the ones I use. So don't worry, there's plenty more to come. I'm not going to give up. I'm going to say I've got everything I want now, and then I'm not going to bother making any more videos because I know there's plenty more things out there that we can use. So I've still got stuff to show. So this is just what I've got so far to wrap up the videos that have been made so far. So if you if I've been going through these and you go, oh, I like the sound of that, then search YouTube for the name that I've shown you and Mobile Phone 2003, and the chances are I've already explained it. If not, Google it and try it out for yourself. So thanks for watching my video about my start menu. Yay! And please comment, rate, subscribe if you like my videos, and thanks again.